Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Replit to GitHub. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is to head on over to replit.com and sign into your account. Now once you've signed into your account, you're going to come to a page that looks similar to this, and on the left hand side there's going to be an integrations tab. This is a new feature, so go ahead and click on integrations. And then on the right hand side, we want to scroll down, and under connectors, go ahead and look for GitHub. So here it is here, access GitHub repositories, users, organizations from your apps. Now click on that sign in button, and then a sign in box is going to appear, which is saying connect GitHub. So you're connecting to GitHub, private and secure, and you're in control. So continue to GitHub, and now a little GitHub authorization box is going to appear like so. So from here, we want to go ahead and authorize Replit. So click on the green authorize Replit integrations. Now we want to go ahead and put in our password to confirm access. Then from there it will say connected successfully, and it should redirect back to Replit. And now when we come over to connectors, again integration connectors, you'll see GitHub, it's going to say active connection status is active.